Hi, Heather. Is this the question you had? Replace the text insert bullet in the address line with a round filled bullet. If it is, you select that bracket insert bullet, and then you'll click insert symbol, symbol, and then it happens to be when you go to more symbols, I'm just going to make this wider so we can see it. So insert symbol. It didn't say anything about changing the font. The default is normal text, and where you'll actually find it is in symbol, the font symbol, but it didn't say anything about that at all in the instructions, of course. So once we find symbol and you actually type in the character code 183, you'll actually see the solid circle bullet, and that's the one you'll insert and close. That's what they wanted you to do. So don't worry, I already took care of it, but I just wanted to share that with you. Thanks for asking. Take care.